Hi, my beauties. I'm barely awake. I'm just getting my kids off to school, but I happened to see this notification pop up on my phone and want to address this patient's question. So the question was, she had reached out to a Medi Spa asking about a THERMAGE treatment, and after watching my videos, she knew that one THERMAGE tip should be used on one individual patient. And they're disposable tips, and that's what you pay for when you get the THERMAGE treatment. And there's 950 pulses, or doses, if you will, on one tip. So usually in my office, we have the most updated platform. We use it for like lower face rejuvenation and lower face tightening, and we take the treatment area from the lower face to the upper neck, and we stack those 950 pulses just in that area to pack a punch and give the best result. Well, this Medi Spa, after the patient had questioned, said we use one THERMAGE tip for 3 different patients. And instead of doing 950 pulses per patient treatment, they're doing basically 300 pulses per patient. And that's unethical. And this is what happens in aesthetics all the time. And because I see it, and people who are consumers or patients may not be aware of things like this, but the more you know and the more educated you are, and this is why I do these videos for you guys, you won't be taken advantage of, and you won't have treatments that don't work or don't give you the outcomes that you are looking for or that you see posted online. Half of aesthetics and in this industry, it's a lucrative industry, but when people are trying to cut costs and cut overhead and use one tip on 3 different patients because they only want to pay for one tip when they buy it from the company, is highly unethical. But more importantly, this is why some machines and devices get a bad rap. They'll say THERMAGE doesn't work. It works well when you do it the right way and you use one 950 pulse tip for one individual patient. If you take a cheaper tip, some of the tips only have 600 pulses on them, and you spread that among 3 different people, which is also not very sanitary, you're going to get a watered down result. And it happens all the time. And once you see it, it's hard to unsee. So that's why I want to empower you guys and educate you so that you can make better informed decisions when you're spending your hard-earned money on cosmetic procedures. I hope this helps, and I hope this makes sense. So drop a comment in the comment section if this doesn't make sense to you, and I'll try to explain it in a better way. But it's hard to explain, but I think hopefully you guys get the gist.